talk to me. Can you hear me? Yeah, so 50 miles an hour is probably about the limit then. I don't think having a loud exhaust helps. If you want to talk to me, either tap yours or tap me and I'll tap mine. Hello, hello, can you hear me? Alright. Some fine tuning to be done. I can hear the exhaust through the intercom. This is plenty fast enough, Doreen. It's one at the front. Plenty, you don't get there any quicker. Ooh, the sun's coming out. Yeah. The sun has got his hat on. Hip, 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 hooray. Wave to the nice bikey man. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Come on, thumbs up. Don't make me stop. Oh, alright. Didn't even wave me through. Hello? I'm just crossing the Humber Bridge. It might be a bit windy. Yeah. I hope it's not this new device on me. You wouldn't think it would be with the big camera on the other side, but coming down there, my head's like this. Nothing I can do about it though. It's just, was yours the same? The only thing you can do is tuck in behind me. Look for the one who's coming through really fast. That usually means it's gone red at the other side, doesn't it? Did you headbutt me then? Oh. I don't think I'd want to be on this road on a 28 mile an hour scooter. That's silly. He's going to beat us after all that. Look on his little putt. I'm leaning right to turn left. Don't know about an ice cream, you might want a kite. Hello? I'm right in a bit of a windy field. Just give us a second and I'll pull over a bit. It's windy. I don't know where I am, to be honest. I think I'm probably about 8 or 9 miles from Louth. Oh, pig poo. My nose must be too blocked, I can't smell anything. I suppose I could head towards the big pointy thing. Well, I thought anybody could see the big pointy thing. Can't you see the big pointy thing? No, when you're parking anywhere, Belle, look at it. No, you may not use our shops. Hi Jeff, it's Richard. Yeah, we're in Louth now. We just pulled into the centre, thought it might be easier, and we're outside the church. So I thought you can see the big spiky thing from miles around. So I thought we'll just park up near there. Well, we're near the little man bending metal. I don't know what he's for, but we're near him. It's like some kind of specialist video, isn't it? Lisa eats things. This is Louth Centre. It's big church. That's hugely tall and quite long. Big L. It makes you think, did somebody say, right, it has to be this long and it has to be this tall? And went, right, well, we'll do it tall at that end and short at that end. Hey, there's a man on a bike. Hello! Hey, good, good. Good to meet you.
I know where I missed you. I was sitting in a lay-by about half a mile past the turning at Amber Bridge.
Right. Oh, right. This is Lisa.
Hello, Lisa.
Hello. Can you hear me? Should have probably linked into it, shouldn't we? We're supposed to be able to link 3 at once. Aww. A dead bird on the road. It's windy. It's very, very windy. Oh, he's doing it now, look, we're both turning left whilst leaning right. Jorge Lorenzo there. Oh, he had his Jorge Lorenzo replica helmet on. This will be the first time you've gone on a ride with somebody else who's done the IAM, innit? Oh, well, Keith has done it, but there were so many people on that ride, we were all just staggered anyway. And then they all went without us anyway, didn't they? But you see he's following the same lines for the visibility. You see how he's pulling in for the cars coming the other way. And then he'll be back out to the right again. And then he's going to drift across to the left hand side of the road, starting about now. Amazing how I can predict it, isn't it? This is what the IAM stuff's all about. Because this gives us the best view to the right. And now as soon as you can see through the S-bend, you might as well be across to the right. 15 miles to go, 15 miles to Skeggy. Don't like it when people do that. I thought he was turning right then and hadn't seen us. I think we're just straight down and then to the right, aren't we? I think. I can try and lead the way if you want. I can try and lead the way if you want, but I might go wrong.
Yeah. Best thing on the bike?
It's the second best thing I've done to it. Best one is... I think it's over there. I think. That looks like a pier, doesn't it? Well, it sticks out over there into the water, so... I think we're going to be down this one. Hello!
Hello! Hello! How you doing? You alright?
Hello!
Hello, see?
Oh no, it's been a whole week! Am I getting another burn out? I missed the first one.
Not at the price of these tyres.
I keep seeing this road on his videos. I'll just head over there and see what they're up to. Oh no, he's back on, right. Go on then, jump on. What's happened? Jump. Oh, bike's gone over. There's a reason I always get you to get off the bike.
Just saying, it's something I never do. I never let my missus sit on the back of the bike while I'm filling it up. And he said, Skeggy just said, the trouble with them is they're not very safe on a side stand with somebody sitting on the back.
Yeah.
And she went crash. So it's Skeggy's fault.
There's just no way I would leave the bike with somebody sat on it.
No, especially on the silly little side stand.
Yeah. I mean, that's a decent stand and I wouldn't want to trust it.
Yeah.
I assumed it was going down on diesel, but...
There was a track between the pump and the bike. The bike was laying on top of her and she couldn't move.
Yeah. It's a heavy bike.
Yeah.
See, there they are desperately looking at the stand, not realising the real problem is that you don't leave somebody sat on a bike.
Yeah. But the bloke just said, oh, it's because there was a lot of diesel there.
No.
But that ain't going to make no difference at all.
No.
Is it?
I don't understand the logic of leaving somebody sat on a bike.
Oh, I don't actually. We was just talking about it.
Yeah.
It's almost like we guessed it.
Thanks for watching everyone, ride safe, and I'll talk to you all again soon.